I'm not listening to you, Yuri. The sound has gone. Yes. Mhm. No, don't worry. But so far you have been participating so well. Don't worry, you're doing a great job. Okay, tell me, Mister. You did. Okay. Mm-hmm. Because what? Because what? Students, that is so important. The projection of your voice. First of all, that you are sitting in a good position because that helps you project your voice. To keep eye contact. No to show nervosism. For example, if you forget a word, you begin like, don't do that. Don't do that. Try to look for synonyms. Try to round up the idea and to be as smart as possible because that is going to give you a better punctuation during the exam. In fact, we are going to practice. In a few minutes, we have to practice. And something important, people. Remember that this is timed. So, he has a stopwatch there and he has 2 minutes for each person. Because as you said, the exam is only 15 minutes, but in those 15 minutes they're going to grade grammar, fluency, vocabulary, and the ability that you have to answer the question and give details, supporting details. Yes. So I'm going to give you one example in a few minutes, and we are going to practice and practice today. Okay, chicos, how important do you think these tips are for our everyday life at school? Yes, of course. For example, now that you're taking this course and you see these Kai tips, do you think that they are important to be applied in our everyday profession as teachers? Mm-hmm. I don't listen, Giovanni. I don't listen very well. The examiner, yes. Joa, I cannot listen to you. No? Yes, better now.